This video takes you inside a modern soft drink factory to understand how fizzy beverages are produced on a massive scale. From raw ingredients to high-speed machines, every step of the process is carefully designed to ensure quality, safety, and consistency. The process begins with water, which is the main ingredient in most soft drinks. Before anything else, water goes through multiple purification stages. It is filtered, cleaned, and treated to remove impurities. This ensures that the final product tastes the same every time, no matter where it is produced. Once the water is ready, it moves to the mixing section. Here, sweeteners, flavors, and other ingredients are carefully measured and blended together. Modern factories use automated systems to control exact quantities. This precision is important because even a small change can affect taste and quality. After mixing, the liquid is cooled and prepared for carbonation. Carbon dioxide gas is added under controlled pressure to create the fizz that soft drinks are known for. This step must be done carefully to ensure the right level of carbonation in every batch. Next, the drink moves toward the filling line. Empty containers travel along conveyor belts at high speed. Before filling, each container is cleaned using air or water jets to remove dust or particles. Hygiene is a top priority inside these facilities. The filling machines work with incredible speed and accuracy. Thousands of containers can be filled every hour. Sensors monitor the level of liquid to make sure each container receives the correct amount. Immediately after filling, sealing machines close the containers tightly to preserve freshness and carbonation. Once sealed, the products pass through inspection systems. Cameras and scanners check for leaks, incorrect levels, or damaged packaging. Any product that does not meet quality standards is automatically removed from the line. Labeling and packaging come next. Labels are applied with precision, showing branding, ingredients, and expiry dates. After labeling, the products are grouped and packed into boxes or trays for transportation. The final stage is storage and distribution. Finished products are moved to large warehouses where they are organized and prepared for delivery. From here, they are shipped to stores, restaurants, and vending machines around the world. This entire process shows how modern technology, automation, and strict quality control work together to produce soft drinks efficiently and safely on a massive scale.